In Windows, there are several ways to add website links as shortcuts to your Start menu. And if you're wondering how to do that, we can show exactly how just by following these steps we have for you in this video. So if you're using Windows 11 and Windows 10, what you can try to do first is to open the web browser of your choice, type in the URL address of the website you want to turn into a shortcut into the text box located at the top of your browser, click the website's favicon, and a favicon is always located to the left of your website's URL address. Now by default, a website's favicon will be a page. But if a website is secure, the website's favicon will be a lock. Then, drag and drop the favicon from the URL bar to your desktop. Then you have to right-click on the newly created shortcut, then select Copy. Now you have to open Run, type in the following, then press Enter. In the open folder, right-click, then select Paste. Then on the Start menu, locate the new shortcut, and then drag and drop your icon into the Start screen, and then you're done. But another way you can try is to open a web browser and your desired web page, create a shortcut on the desktop, paste the copied URL into text box, name your shortcut, then click Finish. Your shortcut will now appear on your desktop. Now that's how you can add the website link shortcut to the Start menu in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.